Hey guys, Bengkoy is here, and today we're going to unbox this iPhone. What is it called? iPhone 2020. So let's unbox it. Okay, so let's open this up. Here's the iPhone. Oh, there's more stuff coming out. Okay, there's the charger and then the charging port. Here is the headphones. It's for this iPhone. Yeah, and also has screws on the bottom. We're going to use this later. We're going to use this tomorrow. And also what we got here is a charging cable. Charging cable is one of the cables that you can charge. There's a big thing here. Where can you find this big thing? It's from the PC, right? We're going to save this for later. And also what we got here, the last one, a charger. A charger is very small, and then it can fit, but it cannot. And then we're done. Okay, one, and then, okay, under here, two, okay, here's three, oh wait, okay, three, okay, here's the iPhone. So let's do the Apple logo. Oh yeah, we're going to wait about so many minutes, right? We're going to wait about minutes and minutes. Okay, so wait for a minute. There's a slow boot. Why is it slow?
2 very boring minutes later.
Why is it slow? Just wait for a minute and wait for a minute. Don't make the storage run out on this one.
5 minutes later.
The iPhone SE is smaller than this iPhone. It's bigger. This is the iPhone 12. This is the iPhone 12. Okay, this is the iPhone 12. We're going to unbox this next time. The screws are the same.
1 eternity later.
Okay, this is going to take so long, right? Okay, oh wait, it's still in the passcode. Okay. Press home to unlock. But the home is not tapped. Boom. And then these are my channels. Oh wait. And let's try it. Let's try again. YouTube is everything again. Let's again. Okay. This iPhone boot up is slower because it's very new and then has these. And then so let's wait about a minute.
346 minutes later.
It's booting up now. Look, it's booting up now. Okay, done. Oh yeah, okay, go to YouTube again. Okay, other things. The phone is very glitchy, right? It's very glitchy. And then I think we're done. So let's put this phone back. This is very glitchy. Okay, bye-bye. I hope you have a good time. I hope you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.